I'm sorry, could you say your name again? I didn't hear that clearly. Yeah, I didn't hear your name clearly. Yeah, I... Ah, okay. Do you have any other medication? Zyrtec. Zyrtec. I take Zyrtec. Yes, I have bad allergies, and I usually get shipments sent to my house since the pharmacy, or not really the pharmacy at Walmart. Yes, what I'd like to know is, if I place an order with you, do you have it delivered to the pharmacy, like at Walmart for pickup, or is it sent direct? Because I don't know any pharmacies that send direct to house. Say what? I just went from a David to another David. Okay, Zyrtec. Yeah, Zyrtec. It's an allergy tablet. I usually get a 30 milligram bottle. Do you hear them in the background, like listening to stuff? Am I what? Literally as it sounds. Z-E-R-K... T-E-K. Zyrtec. Z-E-R-T-E-K, right? Yes. The last bottle I got from my last pharmacy was 30 milligrams. I think. I threw away the bottle, sadly, because I ran out. I don't have any of those medications or any other medication apart from that. Well, damn. I was hoping you would. Which, BTW, I am recording this call and will be posted to YouTube. Fuckers hang up on me. Oh my god, I love my life. It's just the little things that count. It really is. By the way, the number that was called from was 379-201-7878. The U.S. pharmacy scam is still going on. If anyone can go to India and stop these people, that'd be great. Hello? I can... Hello? Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I was wondering where my Zyrtec was. Zyrtec, motherfucker, do you have it? You gotta love these fuckers. Like, Jesus Christ. This compilation video is going to get long, probably. So you said your name's Jack from U.S. Pharmacy? The son of a bitch basically hung up right as he heard the camera. That's fucking hilarious. Oh, I gotta love these dumbasses. Fucking Ahmed the camel fucker trying to scam us. Yeah, motherfucker, that ain't gonna work. Ah, ah. No, I do remember buying Zyrtec, though. Well, I did buy Zyrtec from your company, but it never arrived. Yes, I'm here. I'm waiting for you to check and see what happened to my order of Zyrtec, because it's getting bad down here in Tennessee, and my allergies are going crazy. Yes, Zyrtec. Yes, I do take it for allergies. The last bottle, which I still have, said that there are 20 milligram pills. Wait, you're not my regular thing? Well, no worries. I'm recording you! See you on YouTube, baby! I can hear you. They heard the beeping. I was too slow. I was too quick. They heard the beeping of the camera. Oh, woe is me to record another scam call. Okay, so you're from U.S. Pharmacy? Mm-hmm. Okay. So why are you calling me? Well, I do take medication, yes, but I only take Zyrtec. Zyrtec, the allergy tablet, because I live in a very pollen-heavy area. Zyrtec, 20 milligram Zyrtec. To my knowledge, I've had insurance for a while, and it should be in your database, considering I bought from U.S. Pharmacy before. Yes, I'm kind of wondering where is that delivery, because I bought from you guys about, oh, say, June 25th, but you have yet to deliver my Zyrtec prescription. So, I got a confirmation email from you guys saying that the order has been placed and that the delivery would be here before the 4th, July 2nd. It has not arrived yet. No, you guys never sent one. I asked for a copy via email and you never sent the copy. Zyrtec. How many times I gotta tell you? Yes. Allergies. I said this at the beginning of the conversation. I take Zyrtec for allergies because I live in a very heavy pollen area. Yes, Zyrtex. $20 milligram. But while you're doing that, I have a rather interesting question. How do you feel about the relations between China and India? I just wanted to know, from your perspective, how do you think the relation should be between your two countries? Because, from my understanding, India feels rather cheated that China keeps encroaching on your territory. So you're not all concerned that the possibility of war between your two countries is inevitable? Or may happen? I'm just asking because right now you're being recorded on a camera, and I was just curious because my friend says China can kick India's ass. So you believe India's military is better than China's? And I agree with you on that. By the way, you can find the video on my YouTube channel, AirsoftAL, and I thank you for the lovely conversation. Till next time. I bet you anything he's gonna call back. I bet you fucking anything he's gonna call back.